Hey there, you're looking at the 12-inch LED ring light tripod that I recently purchased on Amazon. This is a quick review and setup guide for you. First, let me show you how to set it up and I'll tell you whether it's worth it or not. To begin, fix the mobile attachment stand like this and insert it into the slider on the ring light. Now you can fix the ring light on the tripod and tighten the screws. It has a strong base so it won't fall off easily. The stand is 7 feet tall and can be easily adjusted by pulling it up or down and locking it with the flip locks. The ring light can be tilted a full 360 degrees and you can easily adjust the mobile holder. It offers 3 light modes: warm yellow, warm white and white light, and you can adjust the brightness to your preference. This tripod can be used with both mobile and camera. So I'll definitely recommend this if you're a content creator or involved in videography or photography. This is going to make your videos much brighter and better. So if you're looking for a ring light, I highly suggest giving this one a try.